Hello, in front of me I've got Jeep Renegade. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, let's take a look at the bottom of the dashboard. Right here we've got the lever, simply pull it. And now the hood is unlocked. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. At the hood. To lift it, simply place your finger around in the middle. Right here there is a lever, you have to push left. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.